Hey guys, what's going on? This will be the start of part 2 of my tiny house build, budget build. So we've gotten quite a bit of rain, but this ground is so hard that unless I get over in through there, it's not really mud, it's just really hard packed soil. The goal hopefully for today is to get the 2 sidewalls built. The plastic did a great job that we threw up the other night, just right here and then over in that corner. That corner slipped in and this one wasn't long enough to reach. So I got a little bit of water here, no big deal. I'm gonna try to move a bunch of this stuff around so I can get some room to work with. Build that wall and set it because it's really open right there. This side over here, there's a lot of stuff. I may try to build that one in place just because I don't feel like moving all that sheathing. And then I probably won't sheathe the outside walls right now because it's supposed to rain all week. I don't want to take the plastic down, put sheathing up, because right now it's just me working. So it's kind of hard to sheathe the outside by yourself, especially when it's already 3 feet off the ground. So I'm gonna get to work, build this wall, stand it up, probably build that wall in place, and then we'll go from there. Oh yeah, I gotta put all the straps. I have this rafter right here that I need to still put in. I got it, I gotta cut it, it's on the trailer. And then I need to put all my hurricane straps on both sides. So let's get started. Something real quick that I need to clarify from the first video. I mentioned in the first video that I needed to set my wall in 3.5 inches. And the reason for that is I already had existing metal that I was going to use, or that I am going to use, and it's 12 foot. So if you build a 12 by 24 12-foot roof and it's on a slope, your roof's going to be bigger than 12 feet because of the 2-foot slope. It's a 10-2 slope. So your roof's going to be like, instead of 144 inches, it's going to be like 147 inches. So I come up with the plan is to run my metal short because I got to do venting anyways, and then just flash the top so I won't have a gap up top where the metal is. But 12-foot rafters won't work, and I didn't realize, well, I guess I didn't think about that until after the fact. So I was going to push my wall in, that way I could use 12-foot rafters and the metal would be, you know, long enough. But I went to Lowe's to buy my 12-foot 2x10s. They didn't have them, so I ended up having to buy 16-foot 2x10s and cut them off. Well, by doing that, now I don't have to move the wall back, but my metal is going to be 3 inches short. But like I mentioned, it really doesn't matter because what I'm going to do is run the metal up top 3 inches short, and then I'm going to flash it. And the way I'm going to do my metal, I'm going to do double furring strips. That way, where I don't have any venting in the top of this, it'll vent between the metal roof and the sheathing. So I just want to clarify that from the first video. I don't have to set the wall in, which saved me quite a bit of work. I got the back wall built and installed. I still have to go back and tie it in at the top, add another sill plate. Had to move everything from this side so I could have a workspace over here. So I'm going to do the exact same thing over here. I'm not going to do a time lapse, but it's just what I did back behind us on this wall. And then after that, put straps up. outside walls are built, the sheathing's installed, and house wraps on. I come on the inside and I started filling in right here. I still got to put the studs going up. Did it on this side as well. I also put all the straps on, front and back. So after this is done, I'm gonna go on to the roof, sheathe it. I'm gonna get the roof completely finished. That way it's all the way dried in. I'm gonna put the front door and the window in and get it dried in. And then after that, I'm gonna move to the outside and start putting the vinyl siding on. That way I can get the whole outside finished while I still have good weather. And then once the weather turns, I can move to the inside and start finishing it out. This will be the end of part 2. As always, thanks for watching.